So I'm going to show you how the ElevenLabs affiliate program works and just how much money you can actually make with this. As you can see, they actually pay 22% of commission for all the payments for the first 12 months, but there's no limits. So the more people you can get to sign up with your affiliate link, the more money you can make. And it's for each person, it's up to 1 year. So they've got a bunch of different pricing plans here that you can see. So they've got the free one and they've got the starter, which is normally $5, but everything's at a discount for the first month. So starter, creator for $22, the independent publisher for $99, growing business for $330. This is for large businesses. And then they have the enterprise, which is like a custom quote that you'd have to contact them to get. Let's look at how much money you can make, right? So if you refer 10 people to the creator plan for 1 year, then as you remember, the price was $22 per month. Times 12 months, which is the year, times 10 people, you would generate $2,640 in revenue for ElevenLabs, and your 22% would come out to $580.80 for the year. And with the independent publisher for 1 year, if you refer 20 different people to buy that, then it's 20 times $99 per month, times 12 months for the entire year. That's how much you would generate for them, and you would get paid out $5,227 for the year. So ElevenLabs has a pretty great affiliate program, and they've got lots of different features here. You can do voice dubbing, and you can create projects, create text-to-speech, and all sorts of stuff. So there's also great features to use here. It should be pretty easy to promote if you make videos. I would recommend just creating videos where the voiceover is with ElevenLabs itself, and so you can just include your affiliate link in the description. I'm on PartnerStack here, and that is a platform that ElevenLabs will pay you through. So you would have an account on PartnerStack when you apply for their affiliate program. And it's really quick. You can sign up in like a couple minutes. And so I've got a bunch of other programs that I'm part of too. But as you can see, with only 26 clicks, I already got one referral. I haven't made a commission because they haven't bought the paid plan. But whenever they do, then you can see some money coming in here. So ElevenLabs is a really good software for voiceovers and voice cloning and stuff like that. And you can make a lot of money from their affiliate program. So you can check out my affiliate link in the description if you want to create an account. And I hope you like the video.